We got a 2007 Chrysler Aspen. The best way is try to pry it from the top one first right here. You can see right there, try to pry it top one so you can pull this thing out like that. The camera right there, see if I can see it. It doesn't look like there. Oh, there's a 7mm underneath here. One and then two right there. Yep. Phillip or 7mm, I can't tell. It's a little bit tricky right here. So here's one of the screws that I took out. It's a, you can use a 7mm on if you're using a socket, or you can use a Phillips. My tool, I use this one. It's called screwdriver, S-K-E-W driver. You can use this, or you can just take a plier and just keep, touch it right there. You can't see right there, so touch it right there and move it to the left. Left is loosey, right is tighty. Now once you get that out, you want to take the plug on the back of the clock right here, pushing. Now let me see, the plug's gonna look like this. So what you do, you push this thing and pull it out. And after I take it out, I keep it like that, and I'm gonna take the Phillips or 7mm and remove all this whatever you call that, I forgot. But the Phillips, you need a Phillips bit to take it out. Now I remove it already. I just want to show it to you. Usually you come it'll come with this one right here. What you do, it's gonna look like that. Just push this down and pull it out, just the same as the clock right there. Same thing as this. And then on this part right there, it's a little bit tricky. If you have a plier, a needle nose, just crimp right here and pull it out, same way. And then for the antenna part, same thing, push it and pull it out. And that's how you remove it. This is a wire that will work with this one, but there's two options with this one. Most of the cars got an amplifier or non-amplifier. By looking at it like this, you see right here, this should be the speaker for the front, be white and gray, and there's nothing on there. So on the bottom, it's got for that. So that does mean it's got a built-in amplifier. You want to look right here, see that white and gray? There's nothing behind that, so that means this thing got a built-in amplifier. So you're gonna have to plug it. So you will need to hook this up right here like this. This is for amplifier. You see that amplifier and non-amplifier. You want to plug on this side right there, on this of the plug. And yep, you don't have to hook up the white and gray. Today in February the I think the 5th, I believe. This is Saturday, and you can see right here, I hook up the red wire, I hook up the yellow wire, I hook up the green and the purple. Right here, you can look at it. The green and the purple is hooked up, and the white and the gray, I taped it. And also, I taped it from the radio. This is an old Kenwood. I don't read instruction much because I've done so many of these, but I still have to make sure I got the the top and bottom right. So the 996510, the mounting kit, I'm just gonna look at it. You see, this one is on the top. So the radio, that's the top, that's the bottom right there, see? Right there. So you wanna do it like that. Make sure this is on the top. The one with the holes right here is on the top. And also they got left and right, so you want to put this on the left and then this is on the right. Now once you get it done, the left is right here and the right there, and then that's what the radio is gonna look like once it's in there. Unplug the SOOCR26 to this plug, and then I'm gonna plug this plug to the radio, and then I can plug this to the OEM, the factory harness. And make sure you tape this. I'm gonna plug the antenna in like so. So I put one screw right there and one screw right there to hold it. Now I'm gonna test it before I do anything else. So trying to turn it on and hopefully it's got sounds. Demonstration off, English, AVN, all cam, no camera, so I'm done. Uh-oh. Come on.
And shop our weekly digital ad for deals on fresh options across the store. Plus, add digital coupons with the tap. Place your order right in the app.
Earlier the front speaker doesn't sound good, but it sounds fine to me right now, so I'm not gonna do anything because I told the customer that front speaker might be bad, but I guess the factory is going out, the factory channel, so it's good. I mean, right now I'm just gonna put everything back, the mounting kit back and the screw back, and I'm done. And this is a Kenwood DDX372BT. It's an older version. And always try to remember to plug this clock back in, because it happened to me a couple times before, not first time, couple times that I forgot, and then they kind of like, hey, my clock doesn't work. Well, then I had to take everything out and almost like a redo. So yep, make sure you check on that. So the heat thing don't work. Oh, I thought the heat doesn't work. I didn't see anything, so I was like, uh-oh, something else wrong with it. But yeah, that's fine. Heat works, so I didn't touch it, so I just need to check it anyway.